problem 11, the compressive strength in kilopascals was measured for concrete blocks from 5 different patches of concrete, both 3 and 6 days after pouring. The data are as follows. So in the table, it shows us 3 days and 6 days. And can you conclude that the mean strength after 3 days differ from the mean strength after 6 days? So I just do the subtraction, and I got the difference number are 35, negative 35, negative 57, negative 14, negative 29, and negative 31. So we are doing the subtraction. So the setup for step 1 is the new is mu d. We're talking about the difference is the population difference. We assume that is equal to 0. And h1 mu d not equal to 0 because it says difference. So from the step 0, after we got the real numbers, we will put them in the Excel and we calculate the d bar and SD. The d bar will be equal average and the SD is STDV. So we got these two numbers. And then we set up for the null and alternative hypothesis. We will use two-tail tests. Alpha asked in the problem is given is 0.05. So we use the formula, and in the section 11.3, we use T equal d bar minus mu d over HD divided by square root of n. D bar we calculate from the Excel, we put in. The SD also from the Excel we put in. We have 5 pairs. So we have 5 pairs of data. So this is a match pairs problem. So n is 5. What about mu naught? Mu naught under the new we use 0. So we got the answer is negative 4.79. And then we use the p-value. For the p-value, we have the degree of freedom is 4, n minus 1 is 4. And we go to the GeoGebra, we input this number, negative 4.79, we get the p, but we need to multiply p by 2 because we're using two-tail. So this means that the shaded area is 0.0088. So for the p is less than the alpha, so that's why we reject the null. Now let's go back. If we reject the null, that means the null is gone, so we only have the alternative left. The mu d equal to 0, it means the difference is 0, so that's no difference. So this is mean the same. And mu d not equal to 0, this is mean difference. So we only have the case that 6 days and 3 days are different. So in the question asking us, can you conclude that the mean strength after 3 days differs from the mean strength after 6 days? And we have mu d left with the not equal to 0, so that is so different. So we can conclude that the mean strength after 3 days differ from the mean strength after 6 days.